Hi, my name is scoutejwampler, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 6 tips to better yourself as a photographer, especially if you're new in the game. So, number 1, you must always be a learner. You must always watch the videos, read the books, attend the workshops or sessions to see what is new in photography. How can you grow? Because improvement is key. You want to be able to look at your beginning work to now and see a change, and hopefully that change is something that you can be proud of, because it's something that I'm definitely pretty proud of looking at my past work. Number 2, you need to create a network as a photographer. Social media is really the best thing, the best tool that you can use for this. There are so many platforms right now where you can share your work and where you can meet clients, and it's just really the key. You can't just be good at taking pictures, you must be good at networking too. And that's how you'll grow as a business and as a company. Number 3, you need to make friends in the photographer community, and there's lots of Facebook groups, and on Twitter there's a pretty big photographer following. And those people are great because you can ask them, what did you do in this situation? How did you handle when this happened? Because most of the time they've had the same issues as you. Everybody started as a photographer. Everybody had to work their way up in the community, so most likely they're going to be open to sharing their tips to you, and that's really important. Number 4, you need to be well-rounded. You can't just be good at shooting portraits or landscapes. You have to be good at shooting everything. It's okay if you have a favorite thing in photojournalism. That's okay. But you have to be well-rounded if you really want to appeal to clients. Number 5, don't get caught up in the gear you're using, especially if you're beginning. It's very easy to be down on yourself and say, oh, I can't produce this level of work because I'm shooting with this. That is the biggest lie that you can tell yourself. And I know how easy it is. You see a brand new camera body come out, you think, wow, if I had a higher ISO, maybe I'd be able to achieve a picture like this. But that's not the truth. You can't limit yourself to that thinking and that idea and that mind, because that's just going to trap you. Gear is one of those things where if you build more of a clientele and you have more bookings, you're going to get more money. So that can be a motivation for you, is, oh, well, if I get a few more bookings, I'll be able to afford this camera. That leaves you with the, okay, there's an end goal that I can get to. And then from there, you just restart. Number 6, don't underpay yourself. You don't want to tell clients that it's going to be this price and set it too low, because that's going to show, especially when you're shooting the event. You're not going to be as excited. During post-processing, you're not going to put in the same work ethic as if you would as if you're actually getting paid what you deserve. As a beginner, it's so easy to say, oh, well, I don't have the image quality for this money, you know what I mean? I'm not producing these photos. If somebody's booking you, they're interested in what you have as a photographer, and they're interested in the photos you produce. So there are people that want your pictures, and don't get caught up in, oh, well, I have to wait until this time to increase my pay. That's not true. You deserve more. There's a lot of hard work behind photography. So don't underpay yourselves. So that is my top 6 tips for beginner photographers, really anybody who's in the photographer world. Thank you.